hardened criminal, someone who has committed a lot of crime. John is a hardened criminal and should be shown no mercy by the court. Convicted criminal, someone declared officially in a court of law to be guilty of a crime. Today, Radha was convicted criminal for the crime she had committed 7 years ago. Juvenile crime, crime committed by minor or young person. The wave of juvenile crime is increasing in our society. Petty crime, crime not considered serious when compared to other big crimes. Instead of referring to courts, police have decided to resolve the petty crimes by themselves. Spate of crimes, large number of crimes happening at the same time. Due to sudden political upheaval, police is deployed to crush the spate of crimes anywhere in the country. Escape punishment, to run away from punishment. The judge being her friend, Sheila escaped the punishment of the crime. Miscarriage of justice, situation where innocent people are found guilty. Because of the corrupt judiciary system, common people are facing miscarriage of justice in this country. Award damages, ordering the criminal to pay for the loss to the victim as compensation. Mohan was awarded damages which he caused to John's property. Unanimous verdict, verdict which all the decision makers agreed to. The jury passed a unanimous verdict that no criminal will get a mercy petition. Contest the verdict, disagree with the verdict and try to change it. The lawyers contested the verdict. Mercy petition should be accepted for petty crimes.